morning, everybody. So today's the day. We're taking my Baja to get a tune today. So it's 8 in the morning. I just got home from work and I have an appointment for the tune today. It's going to actually happen at 11 a.m. So right now I'm going to work on just double checking everything. It's very important to do so. You never know. You might find something loose that you didn't expect to be loose and whatever. So I'm going to get working on this. I'll put you guys down, do a little time lapse. You know the deal. But we're getting this thing ready and we're taking it to a tune today. All right, guys. So I was going to put a time lapse together for you and watch what I was doing to prep the car for the dyno. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time. I didn't have the opportunity to do so. So what I did was basically I retightened all of my clamps going to my front mount, changed out my spark plugs, and we're about to hit the road right now. It's 10 a.m. now, so 2 hours has gone by since I got home. Cory's coming in case this pig blows up. Cory's the rescue car in the SCI, and we'll get some good footage for you guys today, so hang on. All right, it's really loud over here. We're gonna try to talk up a little bit, but we've made it to my tuner's shop. We're at Wicked Matt's shop. If you're from the New England area or northeastern United States area, you probably know about him. And this is some of the beauties that he has on the parking lot. There's also one of these things, and yeah. Anyways, so we're here, about to check in with Matt and get this car on the dyno hopefully and get it going and see what we make. All right, so we're inside the shop.
Yo, what's up, guys?
What's up, Matt? You're in a video, man.
We're recording a little,
So
video for
I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that he has kicking around here.
So I'm not like I'm tall, but I'm not big.
Vroom vroom, Cory. All right, guys, so Matt's back there with Cory. He's about to take my car in. I'm really excited. Everything is looking really promising. He just checked over the car. Everything looks up to par and up to spec. So we're about to see what this thing is gonna max out at today. I told him I want moon tune. I want it all the way up, as high as it can go. Let's see what this thing maxes out at. It's time. Matt's taking it. Yeah, it does. In case you forgot, man. Yeah, buddy.
Emotional damage.
Oh, man! I'll give him credit. Every car's different.
All right, guys, so we got the car back. I'm home. I was by myself, so I really couldn't get a video of it driving or the noises it makes and all of that stuff. You can see the Julie in the background, but Mr. Cory is hopping in here with me, and we'll get a little reaction video of what Cory thinks of this tune. Didn't make as much as we wanted it to. Unfortunately, I'm limited by my turbo. We expected it to perform a lot better than it did, so next order of business, if I want to make more power, is going to be a new turbo. Couple of options out there. Don't know exactly which one I'm going to go with yet, but there are two solid options that I'm considering, and we'll see which direction we go. So let's do this.
Hey.
Cory cam. No, hold it out to you. Yeah.
You want me to talk?
Well, I don't know.
Oh yeah, we gotta do a reaction, so.
Yeah, this is your first impressions of the car. Like, obviously we've seen it on the dyno, but now let's see how you think. So we'll start with just getting a little sound check. You tell me what you think of the sound.
Yeah, she moved.
Yeah, she gets after it, don't it?
That external wastegate sounds great.
It's amazing. And then this is my favorite thing. You put it under like a higher gear.
Yeah, I hear that little bit of flutter.
The wastegate wanted to open up so bad, and it just, I wouldn't, obviously I can't let it. We run out of real estate here, but so what do you think?
So so do you want me to say what I think, numbers aside?
Numbers aside, just like first impressions, how you felt in the car right now.
So feel wise, it definitely throws you back in the seat. I think the car, obviously it just got tuned in. It drives very well. It sounds awesome. I'm not like oh my God, I think I have to sit in the car a few more times before I'm like, you know, hey, I have a better opinion of this rather than this. But all in all, I think this car's solid.
Yeah, I was on the drive back. The way that I kind of described it was that the car's not fast. It's quick.
Yes.
That's what it is. It's quick. And when the power comes on, you feel the power come on. It's not...
I think that's my favorite part, is when you feel it.
It's not the fastest Subaru in the world. And it's not made to be.
It's one of the faster Bajas in the world.
I would agree with that statement, yeah. I mean, like, for me mostly, like, this car, I do drive it, and I like reliability. That's my favorite thing about this car, is that although it's making the power that it is right now, and I haven't really told you guys how much it made. So right now, limited by the turbo, we made 340 horsepower and 330 torque. So the only thing holding me back from reaching the numbers that I want to is the turbo. We'll obviously change that in the future. For now, I think it's been a year and a half since I've had a tuned working Subaru. So for now, I'm just gonna enjoy it for what it is. I have no reasons to change the turbo. It's tuned, it's making really decent power, and it's reliable. The tuner that we work with, his name is Matt Miner. I mentioned him earlier in the video. He mentioned that the car is running healthy. So that leads me to think that my only limitations is the fact that the turbo itself is not keeping up. So what's happening is it reaches 20 PSI and it stays at 20 PSI during peak power, but then it tapers down to 16 at the high range of the RPM, which obviously isn't ideal. So turbo is my only limiting factor, but the car is making decent power. It's quick, not fast. That's important. I will never say that this thing is fast, but I will say that it is really quick.
Yeah, I think it's one of the, like I said, I don't know many Bajas in the area, but I know that in terms of Baja, this is the fastest Baja I've been in.
Yeah, I mean, it's the fastest Baja I've been in as well. I mean, consider these cars are obviously like super uncommon to modify the way that we do.
Right.
So it's not like a crazy concept to say, you know, this car doesn't, it isn't the fastest thing in the world, but being a Baja, it's pretty quick.
Yeah, it's the quickest Baja I've seen.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're home. The car, sorry, key sound. The car is safe and sound.
My car isn't. Running.
Yeah, Cory's car, unfortunately, we're going to have to try to figure out what's going on. On the way back from the tune shop, which is about like 40 miles away, he started developing a misfire on cylinder 3. So that's going to probably be the next project, is trying to figure out what happened, why it's the way that it is, and what we need to do to fix it. So for now, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support, the love, all of the above. We do this stuff so that you can see that regular everyday people like yourself can actually do this. And you don't need the fastest car in the world. You just need something that makes you smile, makes you happy. And this certainly does that, and it's been a long time coming. So
and as you can see, we have two different cars here. This car makes me happy. This car makes them happy. You know, not everybody's going to have the same likes, same even power goals. Like Pedro's power goals way different. Why am I getting ripped on? So Pedro's power goals is way different than my power goals, and how I built my car is way different than he would, and he gives me crap for it all the time.
he's got a top mount still.
I don't want to cut my front clip, and the thing is some people are going to say, hey, you know, I'd rather sacrifice, you know, the aesthetics for performance. It's just, you know, not what I want to do, and you know, it's something I have to live with.
Yes.
So everybody's going to be different.
Everybody will be different. We're all going to make whatever we want to make. And obviously the biggest, most important thing about all of this is that you do something that makes you happy. We're working on these cars. Nobody's paying us. We're not sponsored. Obviously, we're trying to do a little YouTube video here and there, but there's nothing special about us. We are regular, everyday working people, and we just want to get that message across that you can do something that you want to do. So I hope you enjoyed the dyno pulls that I put up before this, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like,
subscribe,
comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell thing. Hey, liking costs nothing, and about 75% of you guys, based on the analytics, aren't subscribed. So if you could just hit that subscribe button, maybe hit the bell if you want to see more of us, and we'll catch you.
Even if you don't like us.
Even if you don't like us, as a matter of fact.
If you don't like us and you just want to like roast us, subscribing to us would help the roasting, because that would make us make more content. So
yeah, and I mean, if you want to be a hater, you can be a hater. That's perfectly fine.
Right,
we accept you how you are.
Help us help you in the hate.
Exactly. So with that, thanks for watching. Take care.